Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix unable to join the network error on your iPhone. When you try to connect your iPhone to the internet, your iPhone says unable to join the network. This problem occurs in all iPhones. I tried many networks, but the result is the same. I will tell you some solutions that can solve your problem. Solution 1. Go to Settings app. Tap on Wi-Fi. Tap on the info button to the Wi-Fi network. Private Wi-Fi address is turned off, again turn on. Again tap on the info button to the Wi-Fi network. Turn off auto join, again turn it on. Select the network to connect to. Enter the network password. Tap on join. If this method does not work, then try the next solution. Solution 2. Go to Settings app. Tap on Wi-Fi. Tap on the info button to the Wi-Fi network. Tap on Forget this network. Again tap on Forget. Select the network to contact to. Enter the network password. If this method does not work, then try the next solution. Solution 3. Go to Settings app. Tap on General. Scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset. Tap on Reset Network Settings. Enter your iPhone passcode. Again tap on Reset Network Settings to confirm this process. This also resets Wi-Fi networks and passwords, cellular settings and VPN and APN settings that you have used before. I hope this video is helpful for you. So guys, like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.